I'm vlogging today and I'm trying my best to vlog. It is Monday, May 11th. It's after 3. I'm gonna go buy some hair so I can go get my hair done by one of my auntie people them in a safe environment. So yeah, all right, peace out. Gotta go. Bye. I don't want to bring you in because I don't want them to say like, you know, you can't record in here or anything like that. So all right. Come back and show you guys the after. So I thought it would be the perfect time to talk to you, so I showed you the hairstyle I'm getting. Should just finish blow dry out my hair, which is growing. This is all my hair, so I'm gonna go. So hopefully it looks really cute at the end. I'll come back when it's done because I don't want to keep, you know, interrupting by pulling out my camera. I'll leave her Instagram down below, and if she allow me to leave a contact, I'll leave that down below. Hello beautiful people. So my face is super oily, so don't be staring at that. But this is what my hair is looking like. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's amazing. I think it's looking real cute, and it's long. It was so affordable. It was an amazing price. Like I said, I will leave the contact down below. I'll come back tomorrow as well and show you some better pictures of me in the hairstyle. It will also be the thumbnail, so make sure you go down below, go check out her Instagram. If you're in the Kingston area and you want somewhere safe to go where you can go get your hair done without fear of the coronavirus, then hit her up in the DMs. Yeah, she can do anything. Bring some pictures, send her some pictures. She can definitely accomplish it. It's just so pretty. I love it. So today is May 11th, so what I'm gonna do probably is keep it in for a month and a half. I'm using this as a protective style. Yeah, I'm using this as a protective style. So yeah. Guys, good morning. My camera is about to die and I forgot. Hold on. My battery is really low and I forgot to bring a charger, so I'm gonna make this quick. I got some errands to run. I just wanted to fill you guys in before I just jump into the day. Today is May 12th. Yeah. This is the Western Union line for people going to collect their care money, or the we care money that the government is sending out to people. I just want to buy something, so I'm gonna make this quick and then come back. Good morning.
Oh, geez, I'm trying to get one straw. We're not going to Rubber Town plus other places where we're
Okay. Good morning, everybody. So welcome to the downtown vlog. I was told by many of you that I need to start addressing the camera properly, so here you go. I'll try. We're here with Danine, Devani, Auntie Shireen, and Noelle. So Shauna was supposed to be here too, but plans changed.
Thank God, because it's would have been full.
Yeah. It's alright, so. up. Everybody.
Except the way?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Mommy doesn't have a masterpiece at what?
Her mask is down. Yeah. I was explaining the fuck. So we're downtown, the classical downtown.
So it's hard not to try to touch my face.
Yeah. Turn the camera around because I want you guys to see what I'm seeing. That's why I keep the camera faced to the front. I want y'all to see Jamaica. I have this box drinks that I need to stir out. Now, mind you, I don't have anything expensive on me. If they want to grab my bag and run, the only thing that they're gonna get is mascara, lip gloss, $1,000, and some change. But I have nothing for me, so that would be a waste. Once I get into the more densely lit part,
I don't really. Right here, nothing to say. Stop.
yeah.
Right here, not the best place to stop, you know, but
Go on, children.
I can follow more sometimes.
So I don't really know how long I'll be downtown for, because I think Auntie Sharon came to do something specific. But if this is as much as it's okay, Devon, if this is as much as I get to show you guys, then sorry. Another time I'll try to get more, and I'm trying to get some quicker clips because I don't want too much eyes on the camera. I don't know people's intentions, so if you see clips that aren't longer than 50 seconds, that's why. But I'm still here recording. Usual downtownness. So yeah, like I said, I figured there's an incident with one of Auntie Sharon's wholesalers, so she came down here to show them video proof because they didn't give her a product that she paid for, and she had it on camera when they opened the box. And so that was what was going on. So here we are. Thanks, welcome to my downtown vlog. But we're going other places, so you guys will still get to see, you know, get to see around town. Oh my gosh. Finally. but there's quite a lot of traffic. There's quite a lot of taxis on the road. People have been holding back all week and now they finally get time to come and do their shoppings, whether it be for business purposes or it be for their homes. They come down and let loose on the market. Could I be a reporter, guys? I think
Sick to win. Sick. I'm making it.
Alright, I'll be back when I have more to show you all. Enjoy the driving cameos, enjoy the extra footages that I can show you guys. Since I won't be walking up and down, you might as well just see. Watch my 60 lane. Please do not urinate here. Can you believe?
You're wearing the mask code of why mommy win the door?
For now, yeah. Sorry guys, I zoomed so close into the camera. I'm gonna zoom out. Chicken loaf? Just so y'all can see. A cheese patty. Just so you all can see that some stores do have stand here, here, and they have some outside. So we're in, I don't remember what it's called, something words, Waldworths or something another. Never been in here before, but it's like a mini department store. I'm thinking of doing another giveaway. These are these. The one is
like I got the shoulders are less quality, but they have more.
Makes sense. Yeah. So maybe when I come shopping, I'll do a house shopping thing where I buy, like, you know, these little things, little frying pans and stuff, and bath. Is a bath expensive? Let's say. Yeah, but I'm gonna need some of these things for my place, and I'm gonna buy a yoga mat. Damn, yoga mat's expensive too now. But today I'm gonna buy a folder. Remember when I said I needed to buy a new folder? Yeah, I'm gonna buy a folder. I feel like I need to throw up. I just ate breakfast, but I feel so nauseous. But anyway, since I'm gonna go back around, I don't want the camera go on nobody and then them see me record them, you know? So I found a private area to talk to you guys. So, I do want to get some paint. I want to get back into painting. But that can wait. Alright guys, I'll see you in a second.